Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the LVD-600 microphone from Mcoplus. Okay, so first of all, on the packaging we can see a picture of the microphone itself. It comes with a wind foam shield, the clip. This is also a battery and preamp housing, which we'll get into a little bit later. And also comes with a 3.5mm or 1/8 inch jack, which is TRRS, tip ring sleeve. Flipping the box over, on the back we do have some additional information there. It does say that it is an electric condenser microphone. The capsule itself is omnidirectional. Frequency response is 65 Hz to 18 kHz. The cord is 6 meters long. And the battery type that it takes is an LR44. Okay, so let's just open the box up and have a look. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to Mcoplus for sending this out as well as the previous microphone. Okay, so everything comes in a nice shiny pouch, drawstring bag. So let's open up the bag and see what we have. Okay, so first of all we have a little bag of accessories. First of all we have the microphone clip itself to attach it to your clothing. Inside that bag again we have another bag, and in there is the LR44 battery. And also included is a 1/4 inch jack or 6.5mm jack. So if you wanted to use this with some recording equipment that needs the larger connector, you can use this to up the size. Okay, next in the bag we also have some silica gel. Please don't eat that, it's not good for you. And I believe that is everything. Okay, so having a look at the microphone itself. Here we have the capsule with the foam windshield already attached. Underneath we have the capsule itself. And whilst we're on that end of the microphone assembly, I will pop on the microphone clip. The microphone clip seems very strong and sturdy. It's a metal construction for the main body, and then the actual clip where the microphone goes, that is plastic. So we'll just pop that on there and that clips into place. Okay, so we have a fair amount of cable wrapped here. And then that comes down to the preamp section, which is here. To give you an idea of the size of this, this is approximately the size of a AA battery. On the back of it there is a small clip, so you can clip this to a belt and obviously conceal the rest of the cable up to where you want to place the microphone on yourself. And then after that we have an extremely long cable, which comes all the way down to the TRRS plug. Going back to the preamp, on the front there is a switch. In the top section we have camera, and that will turn the preamp on to give your camera a little bit more of a stronger signal. And then in the bottom position we have off or smartphone, so that will disable the preamp and it will just be a standard signal going through to your phone. Okay, so to open up the preamp we just screw the top part off like so, and then we are presented here with the battery compartment. So we'll just slot the battery inside Okay, so the battery is now installed. There is a little tab there which tucks behind the battery. So when you do need to change the battery, you can just pull that and it will pull the battery out. That kind of got in the way a little bit, so it was a little bit awkward to get the battery in, but now we just screw the cap back on. Like so, and we're all ready to go. I had to use a guitar pick to pull the spring down a little bit as well. The spring was quite extended, so that did take about 3 or 4 minutes to actually get the battery in place. So please note, just have a little bit of patience and it will go in eventually. I'm not 100% sure how long the battery should last for. Hopefully you shouldn't have to change it too often. Okay then, so let's just get rid of all the other bits and pieces that we're not going to be using, and what I'll do is I will swap it over with my current lapel mic that I use for recording and give you an audio test. I won't change any of the settings. I will have everything set at the same level and we'll see how it sounds. Okay folks, so we're now using the LVD-600 lapel microphone. The sound is coming through, I'd say 3 to 6 decibels quieter than the other microphone that I normally use. Obviously I have no idea how this sounds until I watch this footage back and edit it. So hopefully it sounds nice and clear. I do have the little preamp set to camera mode. And that is all there is to say about it. Hopefully the audio will speak for itself when the video is edited and uploaded to YouTube. If you do wish to purchase one of these, also the previous microphone from Mcoplus that I reviewed, you can purchase that from Amazon if you wish to do so. There is a link in the video description where it will take you straight through to Amazon UK if you wish to purchase either this microphone or the on-camera microphone in the other video that I've previously done. And that's pretty much it. So that was the LVD-600 lapel microphone from Mcoplus. Until the next time, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.